Okay, my name's Ryan Bowen. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to import a skeletal mesh into UDK and get it running in the scene. So what you do is you press the import button in in the content browser, select the file you want to work on, and if it's been exported properly it should give you two files, one of which is a skeletal mesh, sorry. So if I press the play, there's no animation to it, it doesn't really do anything. Then we've got the anim set, which is the part of the file which carries the animation. So now if I press play, you'll see that this actually walks. Now the problem with this is that you can't drag the anim set onto the file because it's just a sequence. You can only put the skeletal mesh into the scene. So essentially what we need to do is combine the two. Now we've got our skeletal mesh in the scene. Open Kismet, right click, new matinee. Now double click the matinee, and in this grey area here, right click, add new empty group. So you could give it a name, warp test. Now there's going to be some options which come up. So here I'll press the green add button, open the content browser and select the anim set, which is the part of the file with the animation in it, and then press the green arrow and it will load it into your matinee. Now select the walk test tab and press add new anim control. Now select the anim set, the anim tab, press enter, and it will give you a chance to import the animation that way. So if you close the matinee, it should show the mesh, on the scene, and it does. So now he's moving in the scene. The only problem is he's not actually, he's walking on the spot. So what we need to do is animate him slightly further so that he actually walks along, make it a bit more realistic. So we're going to add a new movement track. Right click, under the movement track, you can scrub through the animation, so make sure that the bar is set to 0. Press enter to put a new key movement. So that basically just tells us where his position is going to be when the animation starts. Now we'll scroll to the end, and this will be where we want him to be by the end of the animation. So what we'll do is we'll keyframe again. Let's move this window out of the way, and then we can, the pivot isn't set properly, so we're gonna have to just work with that, but we can animate him walking. Now it's at 5 seconds, but I don't think that's going to be enough, so what I'm going to do is right click the keyframe, set time, and put it up to 7 seconds. You just want him to hopefully walk in the direction. As you can see, there's a path, so this should show the path for which he's going to walk. So I'm going to rotate him so it just looks a bit better. Bloody hell, I don't know what's wrong with the pivots here. Never mind. You can assume that he'll be walking straight ahead. So open Kismet again, matinee, and bring it back to the beginning, and he should, close matinee, close Kismet, and now he should walk. When you press play here, he should walk and move at the same time, which he does. Obviously it's at an angle right now, but that's how it's done.